Well, it's another day, another session of working on my solar charge controller, and today's task was to calibrate and test out the current monitoring board. It consists of two low precision current shunts, I'll get to that, and an amplifier board, which is the one in there, basically LM358. I'm currently supplying a reference current of, can you see that? 2.00 amps, maybe 2.01, and I'm reading on the input shunt, come focus, about 2 amps, give or take a little bit. Now that's not too bad accuracy. I'm also reading 0.04 amps on the output, which should be reading 0. I can demonstrate that if I move that over to there, so now the current goes through both shunts, then they read 1.86 and 2.01 amps, so the input precision has just gone some way off. And if I put it onto just the output shunt, the output reads as 2.04 and the input as 0.14, so it's still not quite on. And I can vary the current. Let's take that down to 1.6, which reads 1.58, or take it up to 2. How high can this go? 2.93, which reads as 3.15. Now, with a little bit of a fine tuning, I think I can get this precision to within 10-15%. 20 at the worst, and that's all it needs. I mean, this is not the application that needs a high precision current measuring ability. 15% is fine, and by making it fairly loose, this is able to use nothing more than just 2 lengths of aluminium wire as shunts, an LM358, which is a dirt cheap op amp, a couple of resistors and pots. That's pretty much it. There's no need for precision manganese alloy, carefully cut reference shunts, or specialist op amps with laser trim divider inputs or anything like that. Nope, just a cheap as chips little op amp and a couple of wires. And as the aim of this project is to be very low cost and hobbyist constructable, which means no obscure parts, I'm quite pleased with this. Yes. I can't complete it until I get to the P-channel MOSFETs I need for the output board, but from what I've built so far, I'm quite optimistic. Once this is done, it is going to be pretty much the best PWM charge controller for 12 volt lead acids you can get. And I will of course be releasing all the designs. It will certainly wipe the floor of anything you're going to buy off Amazon for a comparable price.